Okay, so what is the difference between SF7 Basic and SF7 Professional? This is a question that we often get. SF7 Basic can only be used for programming S7 1200 PLCs, but SF7 Professional can be used for programming all S7 PLCs, including S7 1200, S7 1500, S7 300, and S7 400. So SF7 Basic can only be used for programming S7 1200 PLCs, but SF7 Professional can be used for programming all S7 PLCs. In terms of the price difference, if you're curious, SF7 Basic is usually priced around 300 to 400 euros, and SF7 Professional is usually priced around 23 to 2400 euros, which is a lot more expensive. If you are a beginner, your best option is SF7 Basic, and the good thing about SF7 Basic is that when you order the PLC starter kit from Siemens, you'll get lifetime access to SF7 Basic. That means when you order the starter kit, not only you get lifetime access to SF7 Basic, you'll get an actual S7 1200 PLC, which you can connect to your software. You can write a PLC program on your software and then download it to the PLC and play with it, which is a lot of fun. We'll add a link to the PLC starter kit in the video description. And let us know if you have any question about Siemens PLC programming software or S7 PLCs, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.